Have you ever played Plants vs Zombie? I'm sure you have. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how to simulate this game using Java arrays. Hey, it's Anthony with Take a Sip back again. I teach Java tutorial on this channel, and if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell next to the subscribe button to receive the notification about all of my new videos. Okay, now let's go. Let's just start today's tutorial by creating a new Java project. So right click and select Java project. So I'm gonna name it plantsvszombies here and hit finish. So expand that up, and inside the source folder create a new class. I'm gonna call it Uncle Dave Defense, and hit the first checkbox and hit finish. Okay, actually right now there are 3 zombies outside Uncle Dave's house, so instead of creating 3 string variables that store those zombies, I'm gonna create a string array that contain all of them. So to start up, I'm gonna call string with a square bracket, and I'm gonna name it zombie and equal new string. Because there are 3 zombies outside of our house, so I'm gonna put 3 here, which is the size of the array, with the size of the array string zombie here. So I'm gonna call the first zombie. So all this array in Java, the index of the array start from 0. So to call the first element in the array, you have to call zombie and put the index 0, which is the first element in the array. So zombie 0 equal, the first one is the regular zombie, and the second zombie, which is the second element in the array here, and it has the index of 1 equal concat zombie. Okay, and the third zombie, and it has the index of 2, and the last one is the gargantua zombie. Okay, so now I'm gonna print now the list of 3 zombies here. So I'm gonna call system.out.print, and I'm gonna print it all zombies are outside Uncle Dave's house, and I'm gonna put zombie 1 here, the first zombie with the index 0, and zombie number 2 with the index 1, and zombie number 3 with the index 2. Okay, and now I'm gonna put the space between these zombies to make it look better. So here, okay, let's put the space in between. So let's say if I run this code, so you will see here all zombie outside Uncle Dave's house is the regular zombie, the concat zombie, and the gargantua zombie. So to deal with these zombies, we need plants. So I'm gonna create the sim list for plants. So now I'm gonna call string with a square bracket again, and now I'm gonna call plant and equal new string with 3 plants right now. Okay, and the first plant we have is the first plant has the index 0, and the first plant we have is the pea shooter. Okay, and the second plant we have has the index 0, and it is double pea shooter. Okay, and the last plan we have is, it has the index 2 and it is cherry bomb. Okay, so now I'm gonna print out all the plans we have. So system.out.println, and we have these plan. Okay, and I'm gonna put plan 0 here and plus, and put plan 1 here, which is the second plan, the second plan we have, and put the plan 2 at the end, which is the last plan we have. So I'm gonna add the comma here to make it look nicer here. Let me collapse this a little bit to make it look better. Okay, so if I run this program, so you will see here all zombie outside Uncle Dave house. We have regular zombie, conehead zombie, and gargantua zombie, and all the plants we have is pea shooter, double pea shooter, and cherry bomb. Okay, and each plant has its own damage score, right? So if we want to store those plant damage score, so we can create an int array to store those damage. So I'm gonna call int with the square bracket again. So now I'm gonna call damage and equal new int with the size of 3. We have 3 plan. We have three plan here. So 3 is the size of the array. So the first damage for the first plan, it has the index 0, and damage 0. It will have the pea shooter. It has the damage of 100, and the double pea shooter, it has the image. It has the damage of 200, and the cherry bomb, its damage is 1000. Okay, so now I'm gonna print out all the damage for each plan. So I'm gonna print out system.out.println, and I'm gonna put plan 0 here, and put the colon and damage 0, the corresponding damage score, and I can copy and paste for the 2 other plan 1 with damage 1, plan 2 with damage 2. And if we try to run the program again, so you will see here we have the list of the zombie, and we have the list of the plants here. And now we print out all the damage score for each plant. So pea shooter, it has a damage of 100, and double pea shooter is 200, and the cherry bomb, the damage score is 1000. Now let's plan our defense. So we have a pea shooter, and we have a double pea shooter and a cherry bomb. So a pea shooter can kill a regular zombie, and a double pea shooter, it can kill a conehead zombie, and a cherry bomb, it can kill a gargantua zombie. So to plan our defense, so I'm gonna print out plan 0, and I'm gonna let it kill the regular zombie, and here the regular zombie, it has the index 0. So I'm gonna put zombie 0 here, and do the same for the 2 other zombie. So the second plan can kill the second zombie, which is the conehead zombie, and the last plan, it can kill the last zombie, which is the gargantua zombie. So we can say here. So if we run the program, you can see pea shooter. Yeah, we will get pea shooter kill regular zombie, and the double pea shooter it kill the conehead zombie, and the cherry bomb kill gargantua zombie. So now all the zombies outside Dave's house are killed. So Uncle Dave is saved by you. Congratulations. So let's print out the success, the congratulation. So I'm gonna print now congratulations, Uncle Dave is saved by you. Okay, now if we run the code, so you will see here all the zombie is killed, all the zombies are killed, and now Uncle Dave is saved. Okay, congratulations. And one notice, so all the index in the array in Java, it has the index no less than 0. So if we try to print out plan -1, so let's say for example, if we try to print out my plan and the index -1 here, and if we try to print out, so you will see here it will draw the arrow here because index -1 is not in the array. And if we try to print out plan number 3, which is the fourth element in the array, so let's say if we try to print out plan 3 with the index 3 and print out, you will see it still get the arrow here. Index 3 is out of bound for the length 3. So inside the array with the size 3, you can only access from 0 to 2 because the index in array in Java it starts from 0. So it starts from 0 to 2. It's 3 elements. Okay. And one last notice. So if you don't want to specify the size of the array first, you can initialize the array like this. So let's comment this string away, and I'm gonna call string, where I'm gonna create a string of zombies, and I'm gonna assign string zombie, and I'm gonna put the braces here, and inside here I can put regular zombie. The second one is the conehead zombie, and the last one is the gargantua zombie. And that's it. That is how you can initialize an array without initialize the size of it first. So if we try to run this code again, and you will still get the same error, and you still get the same result: regular zombie, conehead zombie, and gargantua zombie. Okay. And if this tutorial is helpful, smash the like button and share if you think it can help someone you know. You could be anywhere in the world, but you are here today. I really appreciate that.